Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. While I told you in yesterday's video that the 106,600 level was strangely spared during the recent wick down, it later got cleared to the T. Bitcoin failed to rally on the second attempt, created a lower high, and dipped down to that exact level. At the time, I expected Bitcoin to range between the two yellow horizontal lines, 109,300 and 106,400. And it looked like it would until news broke that the 50% Europe T word got delayed for another month of July. Instantly, Bitcoin ripped right back up to the upper boundary at 109,300. At the same moment, the 10-year note yield jumped above 4.55% again. The WCrypto letter summed it up perfectly. Trade deals are no longer containing the bond market. Currently, we're trading at 109,700. In climbing terms, we're establishing a base camp above the former all-time high at 109,300. This level could now serve as support while the price prepares, acclimatizes, and begins the ascent higher. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see that the recent macro news-driven move wiped out a thick cluster of short liquidations around 108,500. The next hot pocket now sits between 109,600 and 110,900. Meanwhile, the long traders are getting more aggressive. A large cluster of long liquidation levels has built up between 106,600 and 105,500. Could we revisit that level one more time? In a bear market, that would almost be a given. But in a bull market where Bitcoin is already undervalued at these levels, while ETF participants are buying multiples of the new supply and public companies are building up their reserves, it seems less likely. I don't think we'll range between 106 and 109,000 all summer. This is the bull year, but of course I can be wrong, and the summer slump might still be a thing. Let's see how this unfolds. The U.S. stock markets are closed this Monday due to Memorial Day, and trading will resume on the following business day. All of my trades with entries ranging from 107,500 to 109,500 are in the green right now. I'll keep you posted with daily updates on the charts and market behavior. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for community links and trading bonuses. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.